So here I'm installing the Data Analysis Toolpak for Excel. I'm selecting the Data tab, and it's not already installed. So I'm going to click on the File tab, click Options, click on Add-ins, and see where it says Analysis Toolpak. I'm going to make sure that's highlighted. And I'm going to click Go. Not OK, but Go. Now I'm going to check the boxes for Analysis Toolpak and Analysis Toolpak VBA. Click OK. And now I do have the Data Analysis Toolpak installed, so I'm ready to do the rest of what I have to do for question 3.